Fusion Mobile, quality e-learning experience on the go.
Parliamentary or cabinet system of government. Parliamentary system is defined as a system of government in which the head of state is distinct from the head of government. Both offices attached to them are in the hands of two individuals. The head of state exercises ceremonial functions. The Prime Minister is the head of government and he exercises real executive functions. The Prime Minister and his cabinet are drawn from the Parliament, making them members of the executive as well as the Parliament. The Prime Minister is the chairman in all cabinet meetings. The first republic in Nigeria operated a parliamentary system of government. That was between 1963 and 1966. Features of parliamentary system of government. 1. The head of state is either the Queen or President. Number 2. The Prime Minister is the head of government and he exercises executive functions. Number 3. The Prime Minister presides over cabinet meetings. Number 4. The head of state exercises ceremonial functions. Number 5. The executive can be removed from office by the legislature when the legislature passes a vote of no confidence in the executive. Merits of a parliamentary system of government. Mutual understanding exists between the parliament and the executive. Number 2. Fusion of power in the system has helped to reduce conflict among the organs. Number 3. Activities of the ruling party are closely monitored by the opposition party in Parliament. Number 4. Members of the cabinet take joint decision and are collectively responsible for all the actions, which ensures efficiency. Number 5. There is opposition party, which becomes a very effective watchdog since it sees itself as an alternative government. The merits of a parliamentary system of government. Number 1. The executive can be removed from office anytime the parliament passes a vote of no confidence in the executive. Number 2. The poor performance of a minister can cause the fall of the government since ministers are collectively responsible for government policies. Number 3. The Prime Minister is a negation to the principle of separation of power. Number 5. The formation of a coalition party may result to a weak government. These are the demerits or disadvantages of a parliamentary system of government. We now go into the differences between parliamentary and the presidential systems of government. Number 1. The executive president is both the head of state and government in presidentialism, while in parliamentarianism, the Queen/President is head of state and the Prime Minister is the head of government. Number 2. The principle of power separation is more pronounced in the presidential system, while it is not pronounced in the parliamentary system. Number 3. There are effective checks and balances among the organs of government in the presidential system as against the parliamentary system, where powers are fused. Number 4. In the presidential system, the president and his ministers are not part of the legislature, while in the parliamentary system, the Prime Minister and his ministers are part of the legislature. Number 5. Individual responsibility of ministers is applicable in presidentialism as against parliamentarianism, where collective responsibility is applicable. These are the differences between parliamentary and presidential systems of government. With this, we have come to the end of the forms of government. We will now look into the organs of government, and the first to be looked into is the legislature.